How to delete Twitter account permanently? Let's see this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Twitter application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface at the home page from where you'll be able to discover various tweets on Twitter. So in order to delete your account, you need to first tap on your profile option in the left upper corner, and from over here you have to tap on the drop down of the settings and support at the lower button and simply go for settings and privacy. Once you're here, you have to go for your account option at first, and you'll be able to see the deactivate account at the button. So you need to know that in Twitter there's no any option for deleting your account directly, but instead you can deactivate your account for now, and after 30 days it will be deleted permanently. So you have to simply go for deactivate account, and here are the description all given. And before that, you need to know that if you deactivate your account, then your display name, username, public profile will no longer be available to viewable on twitter.com and any of the device. You may also know that you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So after 30 days, if you want to reactivate, then you can reactivate your account. Otherwise, it will be deleted permanently. So you can also read the other informations over here, and if you are agreed, then you can simply tap on deactivate option and your account will be deactivated and deleted after 30 days. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.